Hi, my name is Alexis Rafferty. I'm a registered nurse here at Venus and Venom, and today we're going to talk about laser hair removal. Laser hair removal works by targeting the pigment in the hair follicle. The laser light converts to heat, damaging the follicle so it can't grow back. It's quick, safe, and effective for most skin types. And over time, you'll notice less and less regrowth with smoother, softer skin. Here are my top tips on why it's totally worth it. So you're going to want to shave the area 24 hours before your appointment. No waxing or plucking in between your sessions. Avoid tanning and self-tanner before your session, and stay consistent with your schedule. That's how you're going to get the smoothest, longest lasting results. So some advantages: it's long-term and no more daily shaving or painful waxing. This helps prevent ingrown hairs and irritation. Quick sessions with little or no downtime. You can go right back to your day. Most people need a series of sessions because the hair grows in different cycles, and the laser works best during the active growth phase. During your treatment, you'll wear protective goggles, and your provider will glide laser over the area being treated. You might feel a warm, snapping sensation, but it's super tolerable and fast. After your session, your skin may be slightly pink or warm, similar to a mild sunburn, but that fades within a few hours. You go right back to your normal routine. Just skip the gym, hot showers, and sun exposure for about 24 to 48 hours. You'll notice less hair after each session. Most people need a series of treatments to catch hair in every cycle for the best, long-lasting smoothness. No more shaving, no more waxing, just silky, confident skin. Book your consult and start your journey to hair-free confidence today.